First YouTube video, if I even upload this shit. It cannot be cussing also. But anyway, I'm about to go over this trade recap. How I caught 100 points today. Day trading. Nasdaq, NQ, ES. Let's get into it. So follow the market open. As y'all can see, basically market open here. Y'all can see the AM freaking box. This is AM session. So boom, following AM open, we came down, swept these previous PM lows, which wasn't an hourly low. The hourly low was this previous lunch low, which ES already swept both pre-market. So going in the market open, NQ didn't sweep them. So from here, I was just looking for something to get swept and potentially look for a reversal from there, which happened here. As y'all can see, price ended up coming down. Let me bring my replay here. Price ended up coming down, sweeping this hourly low. From here, I was looking for longs. We ended up creating an SMT with ES also. As y'all can see, ES did not sweep this low, but NQ did. So it's a SMT divergence. And then from here, I was just looking for a valid inverse fair value gap to execute off of, which was here. I executed on this candle here. As y'all can see, it closed above this bearish fair value gap. God dang. So boom, executing here, stop loss. Usually I like to have my stop loss at the swing low, but in this case it could be a candle close underneath this fair value gap given where we are in price. Also, we had this order block, so I just put it just a little bit above where the order block creation was, following the inverse. And then my break even was this internal range of liquidity here, this internal range, which was about how many points? Break even was for about like 40 points. I went break even there. I didn't take nothing off until we took this open range high, which was off the AM open. This was the high of day that we had created. So yeah, that was my first. Oh shit, that was my first target, and then my final target was this hourly high. So y'all can see up here, hourly high. If I pull it up on the hourly time frame, y'all can see this hourly high, as well as this trade did not have no higher time frame delivery, as we was not in no higher time frame bullish for value gap. And then I'm about to go over this checklist and I'm gonna call it a day, bro. We in discounted range, as y'all can see. We had the major liquidity sweep. We had the good reaction from the sweep. As y'all can see, price came down and wicked from the sweep, showing rejection, as well as creating that SMT. We also was inside the macro, the 950 to 1010 macro, and I executed this trade at 1001. That's inside the macro. He was inside the kill zone. We had good momentum off this inverse. As y'all can see, price inverse this fair value gap within 4 candles of creation, and as well as we inverse the same relative gap on ES also. All right, I'm gonna go over this also real quick. So boom, as y'all can see, price on ES ended up inversing that bearish gap, but NQ didn't on that candle, as y'all can see. So, and my rules, I wait for the gap to inverse on both. So like, it's no manipulation, because usually I find when one inverse and the other one don't, sometimes it could be manipulation and price just come right back down. But in this case, as you can see, price ended up inversing both relative gaps. We inverse first on ES, and then I just waited for price to come up and inverse on NQ, showing me that price actually wanted to reverse from here, as well as we had a clear draw on liquidity being at hourly high, SMT, and order block following the inverse. So this was an A setup. I would give it A plus if we had higher time frame delivery, which we didn't. But yes, that's the trade on the day, one and done. Bro, I'm gonna try and start doing these recaps daily. I will see y'all when I see y'all on the guide.